likely to come together in Afghanistan. Sounds impossible at this stage. Yes.
So, right at the start you said that it's a common misperception that China wants to war. So, but considering the fact that even 50 years since then, India's security and strategic outlook is pretty much limited to Shanghai and Beijing, isn't that in a way a win for China, as they have been able to expand, look at the world scenario, while India has essentially been limited to Pakistan and China in its outlook?
Pakistan is a nuisance. It's now a nuisance for itself. I have always believed that Pakistan's stability, Pakistan's security, Pakistan's well-being, and even its strength is in our interest. But the last time Pakistan became unstable, we led up to the war. What will happen now? In fact, I've been saying this for the last 25 years. Not many people listen to that. 3 months ago, you had 76 Hindu families on a visa coming to India who don't want to go back. What happens if the next one is 76 Muslim families who have visa and refuse to go back? And what happens that 76 becomes 76,000? Because who wants to live in a highly volatile, highly violent circumstance? No one. And that is Pakistan. Even the earlier so-called island of peace and strength, Punjab, is no longer safe. So it should worry us enormously. And yet the solution is not to go and hammer them. The solution is exactly this: to have patience, while they may yet do another act of terrorism, or an act of terrorism, but to start the dialogue somehow, especially increase people-to-people contacts and relationship, which can only come from trade and business, so that there are constituencies, that the stakeholders who will want to change Pakistan the right way. Otherwise, Pakistan will not change. You can't change anybody who is actually holding a gun. Maybe.
So, students, all of you will be getting a lot of opportunities in the next 5 days. You'll be here for 3-4 days, so that you can really interact more. And we have scheduled a lot of lectures by you, and all those schedules will be given to you. Let me acknowledge that it has really been a great enriching and learning experience listening to Commodore Singh's lecture, and the way he has given a very comprehensive assessment on the reason for India-China going for a war. I think you have learned very much. So please join me in thanking